Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BlockBoost token. Ticker symbol is BBT. Now this token you can find in the pre-sale section on coinsniper.net. This pre-sale went live November 15th and it goes all the way until January 28th. So there it is. It looks like a 48-day, 6-hour, 6-minute pre-sale, and you can check it out here. I'm gonna tell you what the web page is and where you can find the pre-sale. We're gonna go over their audit. They have a solid proof audit that we could review, and we're gonna check out how to buy, all the info on this token and the audit in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So there is a full white paper for this project. Like I said, you can find this token listed on coinsniper.net. Now it says here, the BlockBoost vision is to be the premier and most trustworthy cryptocurrency by providing holders of BBT with a constant stream of perpetually free new crypto assets, and by doing so, delivering superior returns to the stakeholders. So they're going to be building trust, have sustainability, and responsible investments. At BlockBoost, our mission is to empower individuals and communities through innovative cryptocurrency solutions that foster engagement, growth, and financial opportunity. We believe that the future of finance should be accessible, rewarding, and community-driven. We strive to create a platform where every participant feels valued and has the tools to succeed. By integrating unique reward mechanisms such as daily incentives and referral programs, we aim to incentivize active participation and long-term commitment. Our vision is to transform how people view and interact with cryptocurrency, turning passive holders into active community members. As pioneers in the crypto space, we are committed to continuous innovation. We understand the importance of adapting to market trends and users' needs. Our team is dedicated to developing features that enhance user experience, increase transparency, and ensure security within the BlockBoost platform. And we envision a sustainable model that not only benefits individual users, but also contributes to a broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. And by encouraging responsible investment and long-term holding, we aim to create a lasting impact that drives growth and stability in the crypto market. Now, we'll go over the ecosystem of BlockBoost in 1 second, but if you wanted to get this token here, you would go to their webpage, blockboost.io. First of all, you would need a wallet, like a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with ETH. Now, you can fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links down there in the description box. You could also buy the pre-sale with Matic or BNB. So let's say you funded your wallet with ETH, and you connect your wallet to the page here at blockboost.io. You would put in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many BBT tokens you get for that amount. And then you click purchase, and when the pre-sale is over, then you would claim your tokens. Now, they do have this full solid proof audit too. We're going to check that in a second. So we'll review that before, let's review the audit before we even think about getting the token, obviously. So it says here at BlockBoost, our ecosystem is designed to create a seamless, engaging experience for all participants. Our Launchpad provides exclusive access to promising crypto startups before they hit the mainstream. Discover innovative projects with the potential to revolutionize the industry. Use your BBT tokens to participate in token sales and gain early access to exciting new opportunities. Our advanced bridge and swap AI platform allows you to effortlessly move assets between different blockchains, benefit from competitive rates, fast transaction times, and a user-friendly interface. Our earning system offers a variety of opportunities to generate passive income, including staking, airdrops, and other rewarding mechanisms. Maximize your investment potential and enjoy the benefits of holding BBT tokens. Protect your crypto investments with our state-of-the-art vault. Benefit from advanced security features, cold storage options, and easy-to-use interface. Keep your digital assets safe and accessible. So holding BlockBoost tokens is not just a passive investment, it's a strategic decision that offers multiple benefits like daily rewards, value appreciation. Staking BBT tokens will give you increased rewards. You will support the ecosystem and have flexible terms. And if you want to learn how to hold, how to stake, how to use the Launchpad, the utilities, they do have, like I said, a full white paper that goes over all of this stuff here. There is also a unique referral system where you can refer users to the platform, to the token, and get referral rewards. There is going to be NFTs as well. You'll be able to purchase NFTs. There's going to be 3 different rarities of these NFTs. And there's also, if you scroll all the way down, the token details here. So it's an ERC20 token, 18 decimal places, a total supply of 10 billion tokens. And it says here 30% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 10% staking, 25% liquidity, 5% team, 10% central and decentralized exchange listings, 10% airdrop and bonus, 10% goes to the vault. Now, there is the solid proof audit here, so you can find it on their webpage. It is a 24-page audit. You're going to have to scroll down to find the findings on here. Now, it goes over a few different things here. So the first thing it says here is deployer cannot update the contract with new functionalities, so that's good. Right away, there's a red flag. It says ownership is not renounced. So that can definitely be bad. So let's keep going to see if there's more here. So it says the owner cannot mint new tokens. That's good. Owner cannot burn tokens. That's good. The owner cannot blacklist addresses. The owner cannot levy unfair taxes. The owner cannot lock the contract. And then if we scroll down here, there could be other findings as well. Oh, so there is a medium issue. It says transfer of tokens without enabling trade. So that is an issue. And then there is an informational issue, NAT spec documentation missing. So there is 3 issues, an informational issue, a medium issue, and a big issue that the contract is not renounced. So definitely be aware of all those issues. Those can be trouble. I'm not saying this token is a scam because it's impossible to know until it actually does become a scam. But I am saying definitely take this token with a grain of salt. Thoroughly make sure you do your own research, especially with tokens, with audits, with big warnings on them. But I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.